Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sunil Seri, Tomali Reserve Surgeon, expert in limb lengthening, deformity correction, pain management and ozone therapy. Today we have a patient who is 70-year-old coming from MP. He is having severe low back ache with radiculopathy to both the lower limb. So this is a typical condition of canal stenosis. Along with that, he is also having basically list of L4 over the L5 vertebrae. Now he is 70, he is diabetic, he is hypertensive, so a lot of comorbidities are there. He has been advised to go for surgical intervention. Right now he is not able to walk even a single step. कितनी दूर चल पाते हैं बाबा?
थोड़ा चल तो पाऊंगा, लेट नहीं पास में।
कितना 10-15 कदम चल लोगे?
नहीं चल पाता।
नहीं चल पा 10-15 कदम भी नहीं चल पा रहे। और ये ज्यादा तकलीफ कितने दिन से हुई है?
ये महीना से हुई है, 10 तारीख।
और कमर का दर्द कब से था?
कमर का 2-3 साल हो गए हैं।
अब बिल्कुल चल फिर नहीं पा रहे हो? पैरों में झंझनाहट, सुनपन, भारीपन है?
हाँ, ये पेन बहुत नीचा रहा है।
बहुत नीचा। So he is not even able to extend his leg. पैर सीधा करने में भी दिक्कत आ रही है ना?
हाँ, चलने में ज्यादा दिक्कत है, डंडे ये ज्यादा।
ठीक है। So he is indicating कि इनको हिप के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा पेन है. Already he is also having knee osteoarthritis. So knee osteoarthritis is a degenerative change. Similarly, if you see his spine, there are degenerative changes in his spine. He is 70-year-old and he has been advised for surgical intervention. Definitely when there is a list or patient is having neurological symptoms, motor symptom अभी तक है नहीं, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग open करते हैं, pedicle screw fixation करते हैं लिस्ट के लिए. But considering his comorbidities and he is not willing to go for any surgical intervention, so we are here for the pain management. Now you can see here the MRI. As far as is concerned, these are the vertebrae and you can see here the L4 and L5, L3 and L4, L4 and L5, the huge disc which is coming out and it is putting out of pressure. This is a dry disc because at 70 there will be a dry disc and there is a list. So there is a grade 1 list. So in grade 1 enterolisthesis we can go for non-surgical intervention in 85 to more than 90% of the cases, if because he is having back pain from last 3 to 5 years. So this list is a previous list. Now he is not able to work from the last month because of pressure over the nerves. So we are going for intradiscal ozone nucleolysis in this area, and by a very simple injection method we will also inject in the facet joints because there is arthritis of facet joint also. We will put him on Mukherjee regimen, we will give him ozone autohemotherapy so that overall quality of life can be improved, pain can be decreased and patient's mobility can be increased. That is our whole aim at 70 years of age. 70 साल की उम्र में हमारा एम इतना ही रहेगा कि हम इनको नॉन सर्जिकल इंटरवेंशन बिना किसी सर्जरी के माध्यम से सिर्फ इंजेक्शंस की हेल्प से विद एम रेजिम, मुखर्जी रेजिम, साथ में ओजोन ऑटोइमोथेरेपी, हाइड्रोजन थेरेपी से इनकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को इंप्रूव कर सके, चल फिर सके, अपनी डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज कर सके, क्योंकि पेशेंट की डिमांड भी ये है कि मुझे इतना ही कर दो, मैं काफी हूँ. So we will be able to achieve that. So now we are going for ozone nucleolysis and tomorrow we will give him ozone autohemotherapy followed by hydrogen therapy, physio, rehabilitation and Mukherjee regime. So now we are planning, patient is already usual, we always do it in prone position. Everything has been explained to the patient. Anesthesia team is on standby. We usually do this in local anesthesia. So now we have positioned the patient, we are doing draping and then we will put local anesthesia and start the procedure under C-arm guidance. So here anesthesia team will be on standby mode. If required, then only we give some sedation. So now I am giving local anesthesia after confirming the position in AP and in oblique view. That is, we can see the Scottish dog view there. बस बहुत ही ढीला रखिए. So we have given intradiscal ozone nucleolysis. We have done at 2 levels, that is L4 and L5. Now we are going for DSCV injection, also called as physiological pain portals. That is tau block. आराम से हो गया. And then we will do the same thing in both the lower limb, that is called beta 1, 2, 3. This is how we are going for pain management in such kind of patient. And when I am giving a tau block in back, I will also go for intramuscular ozone at a very slow speed. And intramuscular ozone in paravertebral muscle, there is a very good literature on that which helps in relieving the low back ache. And followed by we will go for DSCB injection. This is how we treat such kind of patients in which there is severe canal stenosis is there is facet joint arthropathy. I have given facet joint injections also, and then go for DSCB beta 1 to 3. So if any one of your member or if any one of you are suffering from low back ache, sciatica problem, cervical spondylosis, tennis elbow, frozen shoulder, knee osteoarthritis, hip AVN problems or any other sports injuries or tendon injury, you can contact on the below number. You can share your report for the free opinion. Thank you so much. you.